Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your home? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the 3 best cleaning tools for a quick and easy clean. Let's get started. Our first tool is the microfiber cleaning cloth. Not only is it reusable and eco-friendly, but its texture allows it to pick up and trap dust and dirt without leaving streaks or residue behind. Simply dampen it with water and start wiping down surfaces for a quick and effective clean. Second on our list is the cordless vacuum. Its convenience and portability make it the perfect tool for quickly cleaning up messes without the hassle of cords and plugs. With the ability to switch out the attachments, you can easily transition from cleaning floors to upholstery and tight spaces. Last but not least, the all-purpose cleaner is a must-have in every cleaning arsenal. With its ability to clean and disinfect multiple surfaces with just one product, it saves both time and money. Choose a brand that is eco-friendly and free of harsh chemicals for a safe and effective clean.